Every destination has a story waiting to be uncovered, and Barbados is no exception. While the island's beaches may be what first attracts visitors from around the world, its true character can be found beyond the coast in its natural landscapes, quiet trails, historic places, and the stories carried through generations. This is the Barbados that many travelers never see aside, filled with discovery, beauty, and unforgettable moments. The true beauty of Barbados is not only found along the shoreline. It can also be found in the quiet paths, the peaceful countryside, the dramatic coastal views, and the places where nature and history come together. Sometimes, the best way to truly understand a destination is to slow down, explore on foot, and experience the island from a closer perspective. This is exactly what makes the Barbados Hiking and Sightseeing Tour such a special experience. It gives visitors the opportunity to step away from the usual tourist routes and discover the hidden beauty of Barbados through an unforgettable adventure filled with nature, culture, and local stories. Your journey begins at Ragged Point, one of the island's beautiful scenic locations, where you meet your guides and prepare for an incredible exploration of Barbados. From the beginning of the experience, everything is designed to make your adventure comfortable and enjoyable. Transportation is included to and from the tour, and pickup times will be confirmed by email after booking, allowing you to relax and focus on enjoying the experience. Once you arrive, you will meet the professional team who will guide you throughout the journey. Each tour includes one driver and one experienced guide who will help you discover the beauty of Barbados while sharing fascinating stories, local knowledge, and insights about the places you visit. As the adventure begins, you will quickly discover that this is much more than just a hike. This is an opportunity to connect with nature, explore incredible scenery, and experience the island in a way that many visitors never get the chance to see. Walking through the trails of Barbados allows you to slow down and appreciate the small details that are often missed when traveling quickly. The sound of nature, the fresh Caribbean air, the tropical surroundings, and the breathtaking views create a peaceful experience that takes you away from the busy tourist areas and into the heart of the island. Throughout the journey, you will discover beautiful natural landscapes, unique surroundings, and incredible viewpoints where you can stop, take photos, and appreciate the beauty of Barbados. Every step brings a new discovery, from scenic coastal views to peaceful walking paths, surrounded by the island's natural environment. But what makes this hiking and sightseeing experience truly special is the connection between nature and the history of Barbados. Your local guide brings each location to life by sharing stories about the island's culture, traditions, and heritage. Instead of simply visiting a place, you'll learn about its importance and understand the stories that shaped the island. Travel is not just about seeing new places. It is about creating a connection with them. Through the knowledge and passion of your guides, you get a deeper understanding of Barbados and the people who call this island home. The Barbados Hiking and Sightseeing Tour is designed for travelers who want more than a typical vacation experience. It is perfect for nature lovers, adventure seekers, photographers, couples, families, and anyone who wants to explore a more authentic side of Barbados. During this approximately 2.5-hour experience, there's plenty of time to enjoy the surroundings, capture incredible photos, and create memories that will last long after your visit. Whether you are standing at a breathtaking viewpoint overlooking the Caribbean landscape or walking through peaceful natural areas, every moment becomes part of your Barbados story. The tour is available year-round, allowing visitors to enjoy this unique adventure during any season. Tours operate Monday through Friday at 9 a.m., and a 9 a.m. tour is also available on Sundays. Saturdays are closed. This schedule makes it easy for travelers to include the experience as part of their Barbados holiday plans. The Barbados Hiking and Sightseeing Tour is designed for small groups, creating a more personal and comfortable experience. The minimum group size is 2 guests, while the maximum group size is 8 people. This smaller group setting allows you to enjoy the journey at a relaxed pace while receiving more attention from your guides. After exploring the trails and discovering the hidden beauty of Barbados, guests can relax and enjoy refreshing post-hike drinks. The experience includes water, beer, Powerade, Coke, and the famous Barbados Rum Punch, the perfect way to finish an amazing day of adventure. The complete Barbados Hiking and Sightseeing Tour is available for $140 per person and includes bottled water, a string backpack, professional guides, transportation support, and post-hike refreshments. Guests only need to bring a few personal essentials to make the experience even better. including enclosed shoes for comfortable walking, sunscreen to protect against the Caribbean sun, sunglasses, and a camera or phone to capture the incredible moments along the way. At its heart, this tour is about discovering the Barbados that many visitors never see. It is about leaving the ordinary tourist paths behind and experiencing the island's natural beauty, history, and culture in a more meaningful way. A great travel experience is not just about where you go. It is about what you feel, what you learn, and the memories you create along the way. The Barbados Hiking and Sightseeing Tour gives you the opportunity to explore deeper, walk further, and discover the hidden treasures that make this island truly unforgettable. So when you visit Barbados, don't just stay near the beach. Step beyond the familiar and experience the landscapes, stories, and natural wonders that make this destination unique. Join eBike Barbados for an unforgettable hiking and sightseeing adventure and discover a side of Barbados that will stay with you forever. Book your Barbados Hiking and Sightseeing Tour today at ebikebarbados.com and start your journey into the hidden beauty of the island.